Yo, what's goody everybody? What's happening? We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Oraimo watch. And for further ado, let's get started. Whoa, there we have it. As you can see, guys, this is the Oraimo watch. This is a squared watch and it's a little bit like curved, as you can see here, directly throughout the box. And I'm kind of like so pumped because as some of you guys watched my last video of Oraimo earphones, the sound in motion, it was really good. But right now we're having a watch. These guys, they're rocking. This is good. So we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed, and we're gonna check out the features which it has, and is it good enough for you or it's just a gimmick. Okay guys, here we have it. We're gonna get started on unboxing it. Easy lemon squeezy. Where's my knife? Here we have it. We're gonna just do just like that, and gonna remove that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, you know what I mean. To be honest, I've unboxed a lot of products, and not only that, but this box, it's good. I'll be honest, it's really good. I like that. So there's a sticker here. Is it sticker? I think I'm gonna just peel it. So yeah, but before we peeling it out, let us just check out the specification which it has. As you can see here at the back, it says the Bluetooth version 5.0. Battery capacity, it's 200 milliampere of battery, which is really good. Standby time, it can last up to 15 days of standby time. Another kind of stuff, it's all about the screen size. Is 33.23 to 28.57 millimeter, which is really good. The weight, it's 44 grams, which is good. Material has been used, it's zinc alloy, and last but not least, it's having a water proof rating, which is an IP68, which is good. You can see it says curved display, slim design, smartwatch. Impressive. These are all those kind of functionality which it has. I really kind of like it because if you can be able to control the music, this is way more to go, because I usually use Spotify so many times. Whoa, damn, that was tough. So as you can see guys, that's the watch here, and it's really kind of well packed. I kind of like it. But before we get started with the watch, I'm gonna keep it aside first. So this is very minimal. I like that. Whoever is designing this, man, you got some aesthetics. It's good. A smaller book which gives you all those kind of reading is called the paperwork. So you gotta read everything here, which if you want to, which is really kind of impressive. Another kind of stuff, the charging dock or your charger. So yeah, so this is the charging. As you can see here, it's magnetic. So this is the charger. As you can see, you can snap anything, but the build quality, to be honest, the build quality, it's everything. But this one, it's kind of like meh, you know, meh, quite not bad, but meh, yeah. Okay, the moment which we will all be waiting for. This is the Oraimo watch, which is a squared one. You can see at the back there is a heart rate sensor. This one's here, which is really good. So I kind of like the way they patent this kind of design. This is really good. Now let me just open up this kind of wrist, and whoa, this is good. I like the wristband, looks prismatic, which is really kind of awesome. And you can see here at the back, this is how it is. This is the charging section. So you can just get your charger here and grab it and snap it at the back, and you're good to go for charging it, which is really kind of good. Okay guys, there we have it. This is our watch here. It got a little bit of juice, which is 52%. Now on this kind of watch, you can see you can swipe down, give you that kind of menu. The brightness is quite bigger. Now we're going to decrease that kind of brightness, and it's curved glass, which got me at the first glance, which is really good. You can swipe, I think, is it left or this side? Okay, that's back, which is good. You can go directly throughout settings. You can scroll down. I don't like that kind of slowness, but it's like meh, it's okay. You can see here how it is. You can scroll here, you can scroll again. Oh, does it have a search? Okay, click on search. Is this search? Okay, we're gonna tap on here. Is this search, or it means you can search on your phone or your device? I think that's what it means. And you can mute and unmute, and you can swipe down for information, and you can scroll here for activities. Heart rate sensor, you can see here, but it didn't turn on or anything because it did not detect or anything and stuff like that. But this is like showing you the real thing. So oh, right now it did the thing. So if you just keep it here, it will start tracking you. But you can see there it start doing its own thing, which is good. Now if you swipe here, it shows you the overall how much you sleep, and you can just go here for the weather, and that's the end. And another kind of stuff, if you swipe here up, it does not work. You can swipe here out, you go to the home screen. On this side you can see it's workout, HR, weather, music, so you can just check out the messages, which it's good. The battery is really low, and you can see here the music if you want to play the music, which it's really kind of great. To be honest, on this kind of watch of Oraimo, actually I don't recommend it for any kind of person who is gonna jump into sports. Just consider yourself budgeting your money, or topping it up to get even Mi Band watch. It's much better and much precise, or an Amazfit Neo if you're going into exercising and want a smartwatch which can guide you and giving you all those kind of features. But for this one, it won't do, because for all the time I've reviewed this watch, I was chilling here. It says I have taken 120 steps. Just have a look. Just 120 steps, and I didn't even move. I was just here on the chair, and it states that I've taken 120 steps. It does not even make sense. It's like so crazy, and it can even measure the heart rate. Is this gimmick, to be honest, Oraimo? Is this what we wanted? Because I find it's like it does everything on its own. It's like you're not even there. Man, this is crazy. And to be honest, I don't recommend it. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't recommend this watch.